Hey guys, Northwest RV Tours here. I think I have maybe the best couples or full-timers floor plan out of a travel trailer that I've ever seen. This is a brand new floor plan, the 2660 BS from Grand Design. This is an Imagine. Let's go ahead and jump into it and take a look. So this trailer is 30 foot 6 inches overall. It's got 2 entry doors. This rear one here goes into the bathroom. We'll see that when we get inside. It's got the Goodyear Endurance tires with really nice aluminum wheels. It's got outside electrical 110 volt plugs, as well as cable hookups, fresh tank fill, and an exterior sprayer port for spraying off the dog or spraying off your shoes before you go in the trailer. It's got the MORryde steps that get inside, tankless hot water heater, electric front jack, room for 2 20-pound propane tanks, and dual batteries. I really like the front of this trailer. It looks really pretty. They've done a good job with that front cap. Here's your little bit of storage on the outside. That's one complaint I have about this trailer is exterior storage. But from what you lack in that, you really gain an awesome floor plan inside. You can see there's adequate storage for your power cord, your spray hose, black tank hoses, things like that. It's got a really nice layout on the inside. It does have factory solar. You can see the controller up above, as well as the TireLink tire pressure monitoring system. It does have a gray tank there. One thing I would always add to trailers that I've talked about in other videos, and I would on this one, is adding slide topper awnings on top of both of these awnings. Prevents you from having to get up onto the roof and sweep those off. You can see here, this is another complaint that I have. You do have sewer hose storage as well as black and gray dump for the rear, but it's underneath the slide out. So that slide out really needs to be pulled out in order to get good access. Here's rear storage. This is underneath the master bedroom bed. Pretty decent size, plenty big enough for a pop-up awning or chairs or whatever else you want to keep with you, a barbecue, things like that. Coming around to the rear, you can see that it does have an exterior ladder and a trailer hitch. This is a 300-pound capacity trailer hitch, so it's good for a bike rack or a tray that you could put firewood or things like that on. And it is prepped for a backup camera. Okay, let's go ahead and move inside. So as you can see when you walk in, you walk right into the kitchen area. Got the really nice Furion fridge directly in front of you, the 12-volt compressor fridge, and the entire front of the trailer is kitchen space. This is really thoughtful and laid out well. You can see all of that counter prep space. You've got a shelf up above. I could see putting baskets of spices or canned goods, things like that up there. You do have an upper cabinet for plates, whatever else. Most of your storage, though, is going to be below. It does have a 3-burner cooktop. Remember, that front burner is going to be your hottest burner. That's going to be for boiling water or doing most of your cooking duties. It does have a nice size oven with a light, so you can see inside. Really deep trays. You can see those pegs and the slotted, it's like a pegboard in your garage. You can place those pegs however you want to keep things from sliding around. This is genius from them. I wish more manufacturers would do this. It just makes so much sense. Really nice pull-out drawer on full extension drawer glides and a silverware tray that's already built in. Another really large pot or pan drawer or plates with more pegs that you can put those where you want them. Has a nice USB port that pops up out of the counter so you can charge phones or whatever else you have that you need to charge with 12 volt. Really nice single basin stainless steel sink with the drain cover and a nice pull-down faucet. This kitchen's just amazing for cooking. Plenty of room on the counter to keep a coffee pot. You could even put a stand-up mixer on this countertop. Turning around, you can see you've got your Compass Connect, which is Bluetooth connectivity for your slide-outs, your awnings, your lights, water pump, hot water heater. Here's the Furion fridge I was talking about. Really nice deep freezer. This is a compressor style fridge, which makes it so it cools down much quicker. You can leave it running. It runs off the solar panel and off the 12-volt system. Nice microwave. And a pretty decent sized pantry below that. This kitchen is just built for a couple that likes to cook. And a really deep stockpot drawer. So you can see it does have the dual recliners with heat and massage. And a USB charger up above. As you turn around, this is going to be your spare bed if you have the grandkids going with you, or you may have small kids. This could be great for a couple with maybe a child. Nice U-shaped dinette with the TV up above so you can sit in your recliners and watch the TV. And nice storage on either side. That table is on its own mount, so you could take that outside if you wanted to. It's on its own legs. It's not permanently mounted to the ground. Got the hallway with your furnace and air conditioner controls in it. I really love the windows all around this coach. Really nice big walk-around master bedroom. You can see small shelves up above to charge phones or to place a CPAP. This is a full queen-size bed. It's got storage up above the bed. Windows on either side of your slide out, so you can see out in the morning, let that sunshine come in. And USB chargers up above. You can see here a really nice workstation or a desk. I think you could probably use it for either. Nice hanging storage on either side of the desk. Does once again have the pop-up USB charger as well as a 110-volt plug. His and hers hanging storage. And really nice pull-out drawers. These aren't very deep, but they are full extension drawer glides. Plenty big enough for t-shirts, underwear, socks, pants. And same thing on the other side. For being only 30 foot 6 inches overall with probably a 26 or 27 foot living space, this trailer really has a lot to offer. And once again, giant storage bay below the bed with a sliding tray. It's on gas struts. This unit does have dual air conditioners. So you have your own air conditioner back in the bedroom. And there's the control for that. Moving back forward, you can see how spacious this living area is. Now we're going to walk into the bathroom. This bathroom's a really cool floor plan, a really great layout rather. So as you walk in, you can see you got the toilet in front of you, small sink off to the right, hanging storage all around, whether it's for bathrobes or towels. Instant hot water heater, or excuse me, tankless hot water heater, as well as a nice medicine cabinet. You do have some storage below the sink. It's not a lot. I think that you could probably move that back panel to a different position so you could actually gain more storage. Nice porcelain toilet with a foot flush. Tall cabinet to store towels or extra toilet paper. This does have the exterior door as well for the second entrance, so you could come straight into the bathroom rather than having to walk through the whole living area. Nice big shower with the self-squeegeeing shower door. You can see I'm 6'4" standing up. I've got plenty of headroom. My head is inside of the skylight, but it's still plenty of room. I'm used to it being this tall. And that concludes the walkthrough of this 2660 Grand Design Imagine BS. If you guys have any questions about this RV, reach out to Lazy Days RV or any Grand Design dealer. This particular model is at Lazy Days in Portland, Oregon. And if there's a floor plan out there that you guys want me to do a walkthrough of, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. I encourage you to please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.